In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link sections in a Canva website. If you're building a site in Canva and want your visitors to jump straight to key areas, here's the current reality and the best way to work with it. Canva's built-in navigation works beautifully when your site is organized into separate pages, each with a clear title. Those page titles automatically become clickable links in the navigation bar and help visitors move around your site. What Canva doesn't support yet is true anchor-style linking within a single, endlessly scrolling page. So instead of linking to a specific spot on the same page, we'll link to a specific page that acts like that section. Start by deciding where you want people to click. This could be a text label like "Learn More," a call to action button, or even a line of supporting text. Add a text box or a button in that exact place. Buttons are great because they stand out and make it obvious that the element is clickable, but text works just as well if you style it clearly. Next, select the item you want to turn into a link. Once it's highlighted, look for the link icon, usually shown as a small chain or a link symbol in the top toolbar. Click it. Instead of pasting a URL, use Canva's built-in option to choose a page from your site. You'll see a list of your existing pages. Pick the page that represents the section you want people to land on, and then apply the link. That's it. When visitors click that text or button on your published site, they'll be taken directly to the corresponding page. It's a quick, reliable way to guide people to About, Services, Pricing, or any other section you've set up as its own page. A few tips to make this work smoothly. Give each page a short, descriptive title, because that title is what appears in both your navigation and the page list you'll be linking to. Keep link text clear and action-oriented so visitors know what to expect. After adding your links, use Canva's preview to test the flow before you publish. Click every link to confirm it takes you exactly where you intended, and check it on mobile to ensure the tap targets are large enough. To recap, place a text box or button where you want the link, select it, click the link icon, choose a page from your site instead of a URL, and apply. With this approach, your pages become your sections, and your visitors can move through your Canva website with ease.